Individual savings account, also known as ISAs, are a great way to make your money work hard. But how do they work and how do you get the most out of them? Here's all you need to know about ISAs.
ISAs let you save and invest in a tax-friendly way, so you get to put your money to work without paying UK tax on any profit you make. That way, you get to keep more of your money.
There are four main types of ISA: cash, stocks and shares, innovative finance and lifetime. And they all have their own characteristics, so it's important to know how each one works before you commit to a particular account. At Wealthify, we offer stocks and shares ISAs designed to help your money grow.
This tax year, you can put £20,000 into an ISA. However, with lifetime ISAs, you can only put in £4,000. Your annual allowance can be used towards one ISA or split between the four types of ISA. You have until the 5th of April at midnight to use your allowance, or you'll lose it.
With a stocks and shares ISA, your money is invested into the stock market, meaning there's a chance you could get higher returns in the long run than you could with a cash ISA. By putting your money into a cash ISA, you'll get back what you initially saved, plus a bit of interest, which makes it a great option for an emergency fund. But the interest rates offered by banks are typically low, and every time they fall below the rate of inflation, the value of your money will decrease.
With a stocks and shares ISA, there's a risk that you could lose your money. But since your returns aren't tied into any fixed interest rate, you could also gain positive returns that beat current inflation rates.
Wealthify's plans are designed and managed to minimise the uncertainty that comes with investing by providing you with a diversified plan that matches your attitude to risk and return. In 2019, all of our plans performed well above the rate of interest, with many of our clients enjoying double-digit returns, although it's important to remember past performance is not a guarantee of future returns.
Opening a stocks and shares ISA is easier than you might think. With digital platforms like Wealthify, all you need to do is choose a risk level that suits you and the amount that you wish to invest, and then start investing with as little or as much as you like. We'll then do the rest, from building your plan with the right mix of investments to managing your portfolio on an ongoing basis. And if you wish to do your bit for the future, we do offer ethical stocks and shares ISAs, where your money will help support companies committed to doing good.
Yes, you can transfer an existing ISA to another provider. However, transfers are subject to some rules.
For example, if you are transferring an ISA that you have opened in the current tax year, you must transfer the full balance and it will still count towards your annual allowance. If you are moving an old ISA, you can do this in part or in full and it will have no impact on your current ISA allowance. So if you are transferring £5,000 from an old ISA and you have yet to open an ISA in this tax year, you can still save and invest up to £20,000. For every ISA transfer you complete, you must request the official ISA transfer form from the provider you are transferring to and fill out the details to retain the tax benefits of your ISA.